So, what is visualization? As you know, when you was young, and at that time you was very flair to visualize anything in your childhood days. Everyone have a very strong visualization in this particular age, but after some time, means when you start your education, when you have a pressure of school, college, university, and you be just a part, a responsible part of your family, and you have some more responsibilities as well. You find yourself in a pressure, in a stress, and due to your stress and pressure, you find your visualizations becomes lower. What are exact visualization mean? Visualization mean if pictures, or you can say all the sense which we have, like sense of hearing, sense of touch, sense of smell, sense of taste, and sense of visual. If we are capable to build all these senses inside our mind, then our visualization is good. And if we are not capable to create any picture inside our mind, we are not able to create any smell in our mind. Suppose if you are thinking about a rose and you just close your eyes, and after just closing your eyes, you are not able to see the rose. You are not capable to take the fragrance of that rose. It means your visualization is not good. I am telling you, there are 5 senses as we know. It is a sense of smell, your nose, is a sense of hearing, your ears, is a sense of sight, your eyes, is a sense of taste, your tongue, and your skin is a sense of touch. As we have 5 external senses with us, in the same way, we have 5 internal senses. So what are the internal 5 senses? Internal 5 senses mean only for our mind. If we just use our mind after closing your eyes, after just shutting down all your external senses, and you will use the internal senses, that must be come into your mind, and that is visualization. Suppose I want to visualize a red ball, and as I just close my eyes, and if I am able to see the red ball inside my mind, and it is very clear, it is very crystal clear, then it is my visualization. And in the telepathy, what is the need of visualization? The need of visualization in the telepathy, what you send the message to others, it is depend to what is in your mind. Whatever in your mind, suppose there is a picture in your mind and it is very clear, then you can transmit this picture to any other person through the use of telepathy, through the use of your own energy. So this thing actually matter in telepathy. So visualization, or the visualization is very, very important in the telepathy process. So how we can raise this visualization in our daily life? Because whether we will not increase our visualization pattern, so we will not able to send the telepathic messages at all. So in this case, we need to just grow our visualization pattern, because your visualization have not gone in a single day. It will not revive in a single day. It will take a time, and it need a proper practice every day. So what are the practices that we can do to regain our visualization? So here are a step-by-step modules that we will provide you in the form of a PDF files, and you can download all these PDF files as well, and you will able to just have the process of all these visualization exercises that you can do in your daily life. That will be very most beneficial for you. So I urge you, whether start the process of telepathy, you need to start the process of visualization. Whether you will not enough understand the inner images, inner smells, inner sounds, inner feelings, if these things are not strong you inside, then it will be not possible to send you your own message to anyone. So just be remark this statement. First of all, you need to be practice your daily visualization. And one more thing, if you want to anything in your life, suppose you want money, and if you are not able to recognize the same pictures of the money, what kind of lifestyle you want to acquire by that money, if you are not able to recognize all these things inside your mind, then you will not get it. So to get the something is also the practice of visualization. It is also due to your visualization.